Welcome to your intensive. This is your PDF workbook. As you scroll through it digitally, you'll notice that there are forms that you could fill in by typing into them. We call this a fill-in form. And when you hit the tab key, it will go to the next box. So if I click here and type a period and hit the tab key, I can start typing in the next box. If I keep hitting tab, it goes to the next box, and it'll even go to the next page. And what's cool about that is that you could stay in your keyboard almost all the time. Now, if you have a page up and page down button on your keyboard, you can use that to navigate to the next page or the previous page. And you can see here I'm on page 7 of 16, so it's easy to navigate where you're at, right? And then at the end, we do have some extra pages for notes. So on page 12, we have notes. On 13, we have some important text, like who the speakers are and stuff. And then 14 and 15, we also have space for notes. So just know that you have that at your disposal to keep notes during this 4-hour event.